Today we will discuss about Earth and the solar system. Class 6, Chapter 1, Geography. Now, there are so many theories how this all universe is created. One of them, or most important theory, is Big Bang theory that explains the formation and existence of our universe. Now, what is universe? Now, the universe are the star and the planets and also the satellites, asteroids and meteors that exist within this formation or within this structure that we said is universe. Within this universe there are stars. What is a star? A star is a big ball of burning gases which produces its own light and heat. Our universe has one important star, that is our sun or the sun. Also there are few stars that is close to us, like Proxima Centauri. Then galaxies. What is a galaxy? Galaxy is a cluster of stars, dust, gases and also some known and unknown objects. They together make galaxies. Now, our galaxy is called Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga galaxy. It is assumed to be formed 13.6 billion years ago. The closest galaxy to the Earth is Andromeda galaxy, which is 4 light years away. Now, the distance between stars is measured in terms of light years. Then, we will come to know about constellations. Some stars form a shape or a recognizable shape that is previously known to us, like a shape of a tiger or maybe any other shape like an elephant or some different shapes. So, if we connect them, they makes a shape. There are total 88 constellations. Now, one of the most important constellation that you have seen, I guess you have seen, is Great Bear. We commonly known as it is Saptarshi. As we have known, it creates a question mark or a pan with spoon. There are also some other constellation or important constellation like Ursa Minor, Orion, also known as the Hunter, Taurus and Gemini. Gemini is also known as the twins. In next class, we will discuss about the solar systems and about the planets.